Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So today I am going to make another chicken recipe. Today I am going to make chicken korma in a very simple way. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. While I am making the chicken korma, I will show you all the ingredients. Friends, I have taken onions cut up in this size. You can see I have taken about 8 to 9 onions. This first of all I will fry and take it out. I have taken 3 paws of chicken here. Now first of all I will fry the onions. I am going to put refined oil today and make the curry, the chicken korma recipe. Friends, now I am putting some refined oil to fry the onions. Once the oil turns hot, I will put in the onions. Friends, now I will put in the onions to fry because oil is turned hot. Friends, this will turn brown now. I will let it fry brown. Friends, the onions are gone brown. Now I will take them out. You can see. Now I'll take them out and keep it aside and let it turn cold. Then I will crush the onions and make it into a powder. Friends, I have taken out the onions. Now I'll let it turn cold. Friends, now in the same oil I will make the korma. I have taken khara garam masala, you can see, and some black pepper here. This I will use. Some bay leaves. So the oil is turned hot. I am putting the bay leaves. And this also I am going to put in. This is the ginger garlic paste which I am going to use now. This also I will put in. Now I will put in the chicken. I will let the ginger garlic and the chicken fry. Friends, the chicken and the ginger garlic paste which I have put in over here is fried up nicely, and you can see the chicken also is almost fried up. Now I will add some dahi. About 250 grams dahi I will add. This is the dhania and jeera paste. This also I will add. Put some chili powder. I will put saffron in it. Some turmeric powder I will put. If you don't want to put turmeric powder, you all can skip it. But I am putting. Put in the salt to taste. And mix it well. Let this fry. I did not beat up the dahi, you can see. Friends, the chicken and the masala, dahi, everything is fried up nicely. Now I will add little bit water because I want to make this into gravy. While frying the masalas, the chicken also is cooked up. So I will add little bit water. Friends, the onions which I have kept over here, I crushed it up. I didn't make it into fully powder. this way I have crushed it up. This also I will put in now. If you all want to make into a powder, the onions you all can make, but I have kept it like this. Now I will let the chicken and the onions bubble. Friends, I will add some jaifal. You can see this nutmeg powder, jaifal powder, about so much. This I am going to put in because it will give it a nice taste, nice flavor. Now I will let this bubble a little bit and then take it down. Friends, chicken korma recipe is ready. I made it my way. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.